Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to be showing you how I did a floral design on some press-on nails and also on myself as gel extensions. So I'm just prepping my press-on nails here by filing off the free edge, and then after that I'm going to go and buff them so that my gel polish would stick better to it. So next I'm going to go with some base coat and we're applying that to all 5 nails. So the color I'm using today is also from Lisa Con and it's called Lavender Blush. It's a nice light pink color. So we're just going to apply that to just the thumb, the index and the pinky finger. And the other color I'm using is Igel's Beauty, I Believe in You. Make sure and cure in between each coat. I use 3 coats for these nails. So this is the foil transfer of floral design, and I'm just cutting out what I need. And after I do that, I'm going to put on the foil transfer gel. The most important thing is to make sure you apply this evenly to the entire nail so that all of your design transfers onto the nail. So after doing this, I'm going to cure it for 60 seconds, wait for it to cool down a bit, and then we're going to apply the floral design. So you're just placing it where you like your flowers to go, and you place it onto the nail and you try to get it to go down as smooth as possible, and after that you're just going to rub it into the nail and to make sure everything is transferred. Sometimes you could even lift it up to see if everything was transferred. If not, you press it back down again and you keep rubbing until everything is transferred onto the nail. So this is how it looks right now. Very nice. So we'll just repeat that for the rest of the nails, and then we're going to go in with another design on the green nails. So we're using some gems here and we're going to put that on the green nails, and I'm using Igel's Beauty jewelry gel or gem gel to apply it. It doesn't run, so it makes it perfect. When you put down your gems, it doesn't go anywhere and would cure right in place. So the last step for this segment is applying some top coat to these press-on nails so we have a nice sleek shiny finish. And this is the finished look. Voila! So now we're going to go on to the gel extensions, and for that part I'm prepping my natural nails by pushing back the cuticles, getting up any dead skin, and off camera I went in and I took the shine off the rest of my natural nail bed by using my sanding band. When I'm finished with that, I just dusted it off and now we're ready to apply. So these are some long cotton full cover tips. I'm just using some primer on the inside of them just to help improve the adhesion to my natural nail. So now I'm doing my natural nail prep, of course with some dehydrator, and after that some nail primer. So for the extensions, I'm going to apply a layer of base gel to my natural nail, and after that I'm going to give it a flash cure. So I'm going to now put some gel at the bottom area of the nail extension, and then I'm going to apply it to my natural nail starting at the cuticle area, and I'm letting the base gel fill up the nail bed area, and I'm going to cure it into place after. By the way, don't forget to check out my last video if you have not as yet. It's a really nice abstract nail design. So after buffing my nails, I'm going to use this ceramic drill bit to clean up around my cuticles for a more natural look. Okay, so now I'm ready to go in with my design, and it's the same design that we did earlier in the press-on set. Now this one only has one change. So while you're watching the video, look out for it and let me know in the comments below if you saw the change I made in doing this hand. Time to finish off with a shiny layer of top coat. So I'm really happy with how these turned out. I love the colors and I especially love the floral design. If you like this video, don't forget to leave a thumbs up down below, and while you're there, you could also hit that subscribe button so you can see more nail videos like this one right here on my channel. And you all know I have to go outside and get those sunlight pictures and videos, and this is how I get my picture for Instagram as well. Anyway, thank you so much for watching, and we'll catch up in the next video. Bye.